I'm Gabriel Carini. First, I want to thank everybody for coming out today. We're very excited about our open house and our ribbon cutting ceremony. This is a wonderful event. We're happy to have Jerry Sanders, the president of the San Diego Chamber of Commerce, with us today, our former mayor, and Lori Zapp. Current council member in the area. Thank you so much.
New to this district. Okay.
And we are also very happy to have our partners here with us today from Bryant Heating and Air Conditioning, and also our partners for financing with Hero, Donata Hammonds.
As president of the Chamber of Commerce, we love seeing business grow. And Carini Heating and Air has been a success story in San Diego, and they're expanding and creating more jobs, and business is up, so that's good for San Diego. And we just want to thank you for staying here.
Wonderful. Thanks for coming by.
Whenever you're ready.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate you coming by. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Laura.